Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a really exciting program in Botswana that's completely redesigning education to get students ready for the future. It's the big question on everyone's mind, isn't it? The jobs of the future are going to demand skills that you just can't learn from a textbook. So how in the world do we prepare young minds for a world that's changing by the minute? Well, in Botswana, one organization is giving a very hands-on answer. This is Destination Imagination Botswana. They're a STREAM organization that stands for Science, Technology, Robotics, Engineering, Arts, and Mathematics. And their whole mission is to build confidence and essential skills through these awesome project-based boot camps. Okay, so the very first stop in their one-day boot camp is basically a trip into the future. We're talking about technologies that are literally changing the way we see the world, drones and virtual reality. And let me tell you, this is so much more than just playing with cool gadgets. Learners actually get to pilot drones and step inside virtual worlds to see their real-world impact. They get to see firsthand how this tech is shaking up entire industries, from mapping land for farming to creating immersive training for surgeons. It's a real, tangible look at the jobs of tomorrow, and it's happening right now. All right, next up is what they call the Tech Toolkit. This is where learners really get to roll up their sleeves, get hands-on, and turn their ideas into reality using 3 super powerful technologies. First on the list, the big one, artificial intelligence. It's a term we hear thrown around everywhere, but what does it actually mean? Well, this is where AI gets totally demystified. Students learn the core concepts, like how machines can be trained to recognize patterns, make decisions, and even understand language. It's a foundational look at the technology that's pretty much already shaping our world. Next in the toolkit, we're jumping from the digital world to the physical one with 3D printing and design. This part is so cool because it's where digital creativity becomes something you can actually hold. Using really simple design software, participants create their own models, and then they get to watch in real time as a 3D printer brings them to life, layer by intricate layer. It's such a powerful lesson in innovation and prototyping. And the final tool in the kit brings everything together, coding and robotics. This is where logic meets motion. What's so great about this approach is that students aren't just sitting there writing abstract lines of code. Nope. First, they actually build their own robots. Then, using a visual block-based coding platform called Scratch, they learn the fundamentals of programming to make their creations move and react. It's the perfect foundation for more advanced skills down the road. Now, all this tech is amazing, but it's only half the story. The bootcamp has another absolutely critical component, and it's all about building those essential soft skills. It's called the Instant Challenge. Okay, so this is fast, it's fun, and it is intense. A team gets a surprise task. Could be anything, maybe a performance-based challenge, maybe a construction one, and they have a super tight deadline. With that clock ticking, they have to brainstorm, communicate, and collaborate under pressure to come up with a solution and present it. This is where creative problem solving is really forged in the moment. So, what's the big picture here? We've got drones, AI, robots, these high-pressure challenges. What does it all really add up to? Well, it's all about building a specific and absolutely crucial set of skills. These are what educators call 21st century skills. And the key insight here is that it's not just about what you know anymore. It's about what you can do with that knowledge. It's that powerful mix of having the technical expertise, but also the critical soft skills you need to use it effectively. And just look at this list. Every single activity we've walked through is specifically engineered to develop these abilities, from the teamwork and communication in the Instant Challenge to the problem-solving and project management in the robotics session. This is a truly holistic approach to building skills. And what's more, the program is designed to be a true partnership with the schools that host these boot camps. It's not just some outside organization that comes in for a day, it's a real collaboration. And this is a key detail. A full 10% of the total proceeds from the bootcamp are given directly back to the partner school. It's a model that makes sure the school benefits directly, creating this amazing, sustainable cycle of learning and investment. And the vision goes way beyond the classroom. As this quote shows, the program is a gateway. It exposes learners to a global community and opportunities they might never have known existed, including the chance to compete on an international stage. It's all about broadening their horizons. So ultimately, it all comes down to this. By giving students the tools, the skills, and the confidence to create, Destination Imagination Botswana isn't just teaching technology, it's empowering a new generation of innovators. And it leaves them with one profound question to answer for themselves. Thanks for watching.